Hello everybody, welcome to Basil Card Breaks. Today we're going to be doing a double box Bowman Mega Box opening, two of them. I've opened a few of these, one on my channel, a couple off camera as well. Really like these boxes. They've been really hard to find. I still have a few left. Wander Franco is really the chase card everyone seems to be going for. I've got, out of my previous boxes, the Wander Franco, Moho Refractor, the Chrome, and the base. So you have to pull an auto or anything big like that, but the Wanders are nice to have. So see if we can get something out of these boxes today. Hopefully. I can't find them anymore. I don't think they're even stocking them in Target anymore. I think they've moved on to the Platinum. I just did a box of those as well. That was my last video. So if you want to, go check that out. Any likes and subs would be greatly appreciated. It has the 5 regular packs and then the 2 Moho packs. We'll open the regular packs first, then we'll get to the Moho cards. Again, in case anybody wants to see the odds or rate in for postage for the free entry. If I can get it to focus in here. Probably not. Well, let's rip these open and take a look. I'll tell you what, I am mesmerized by the sounds of ripping packs. Just the sound of that plastic opening is music to my ears. Urias, that's a good one. Josh James. Goldschmidt, that's a good pack. Moncada. Chrome. Ruiz Chrome. Diaz. Fideo. That's not bad. Put the base right here. Put the chromes over here, and then any hits in a separate pile from there. Apparently my cat wants to say hello to you guys. Should be doing a video later with my son once he gets over here. Christian Yelich, there's a good one. Will Myers, Kevin Pillar, Yadier Molina, Sean Reed Foley, Luciano, Grady Singer, and Jimenez for the 2 chromes right there. There's a Vladdy. I have yet to pull one of these, so that's nice to have. These are all going on my PC, so that's my first Vladdy. I think I got, I don't even think in the Bowman Platinum I'd pulled a Yachty, or a Vladdy. I think that's my first Vladdy period in my personal collection as a whole. So that's nice. Francisco Lindor. And this camera is not wanting to focus here. Mookie Betts. Ozzie Albies. Loriano. Let's see. Chrome Hayes. Rodriguez. Sterling Marte. Oh, no, it's not. Noelvi Marte. Adele. Hayes again. Last regular pack here. Chance Adams, me as a big Yankees fan, I like that card. Justice Sheffield, another rookie. Cedric Mullins, another rookie. Loiziga? Another rookie, that's nice. De Los Santos. Widener. Evan White for a chrome. And Royce Lewis for a chrome. It's funny, usually there's a base in between, not this time. Hall. Sean Murphy. Now to the 2 Mojo packs. Hopefully I get lucky here. I haven't pulled anything too crazy out of here except for the Wander Franco. Let's get it focused here again. Ruiz. Cabrera. There's an auto. Christian Santana. That's my first auto. It's nice, right on card. Well, I'm pretty happy about that. If you haven't seen the back of these yet, this is what it looks like. Oh, nice. My first auto. I'll leave that right up there. And there's the final 2. Nice. Well, I'm happy about that. I will take any auto with the luck I've had with these, so. Nice. Alonso. If it will focus. I think I need a new webcam. Ooh, looks like I have a green parallel in here. I don't have any of those either. There we go. Adele. Rowdy Tellez. Florial. Let's see who we got here. Oh, another auto. Cody Clemens. Numbered to 99. Wow. Awesome. Well, that makes me really happy. Was not expecting that. Nice. Third of Roger Clemens' son to enter pro baseball. That's pretty awesome. Wow. 2 autos in 1 box. I have yet to pull a single auto out of maybe 4 or 5 boxes, and I get 2 in 1 box. So that's pretty dope. Let's go for our second box here. We'll do the same with these. We'll open the 4 regular packs, and we'll open the whole packs. Wow. Still stoked about 2 autos. I didn't even know that was possible to pull 2 autos in 1 box. Ryan O'Hearn. David Fletcher. Colby Allard. It's a good card. Daniel Lugo, another good one. Bowers. Gorman. Chrome Nick Neidert. Baum. And Canning and Martinez for the bases. At least I can put a little clickbaity title now, since I got some good pulls. Burns. Justin Verlander. I really like Justin Verlander. I imagine he'll get in the Hall pretty easy. He's had a pretty illustrious career. He's over 200 wins, 2,700 strikeouts. Pretty impressive numbers. Barrios. Hosmer. Tuki Toussaint. India for the Chrome. Beck. See, this one has a base in the middle of the two Chromes. Collins for the Chrome. Romero Morgan. 4 packs. 2 regular and 2 Mojo left. Kyle Wright rookie. I do love Bowman. They've always been really rookie heavy ever since they came back in '89. If I can get these back in focus. Givens. Matt Carpenter. Wrong Franco that I wanted, but that's okay. Cody Bellinger. One Chrome. This one's got the base in the middle again. I like that one. Acevedo with the Chrome. And Ramos for the last card. One more base pack. Miguel Cabrera, another pretty surefire Hall of Famer there. Jose Abreu, Chris Archer, Marcus Stroman, Kristen Stewart, Adam Hazley for the Chrome, Ruiz for the base, Joey Bart, that's a good one for the Chrome, Diaz. All right, 2 Mojo packs back. Do you think how good can the luck be? Really, I'm not expecting anything out of this box. Fernando Tatis Jr. That's a good one. These cards are so beautiful. McKay. Jacob Nix, Rookie of the Year favorites. Kurloff. Keenan Thompson. Well, last pack, guys. Like I said, I wasn't expecting anything out of this box after those pulls from last one. Yordan Alvarez, that's a good one. Cornelis. Another auto. Wow. Nico Horner. Wow. It's a nice looking auto too. Beautiful. Wow. Incredible. Marte and Ruiz. No wonder Franco's, but I mean, come on. I mean, I'm not going to ask for anything better than that. I mean, that's went from having maybe 2 autos in my PC to now 5. That's pretty impressive. So I'm pretty happy about that. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I have some more I could break to you at a later point in time. But I hope to see you guys again. Thanks everybody in the Jabs community, like, you know, Mud Dog, Blomdahl, Baltimore Card Breaks, of course Truth Seekers, all you guys, Chasing Donnie Baseball, some of the nicest guys that I know. I appreciate all you guys and hope to see you again soon. Hit that like and subscribe button and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks guys.